What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix camera not working in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. After clicking on app management, then scroll down and here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of your camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on software update. And here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update our latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone. Now click on reset all settings. Now here enter your password to reset all your settings. It will reset all your settings but never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other personal data. After reset your all settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.